This morning, crude oil prices are at their lowest level in more than 5 years. OPEC says production will not be cut. It will rely on the market to set the price. Since June, the price of foreign oil has been slashed nearly in half to less than $63 per barrel. Domestic oil is even cheaper, under $59 per barrel. Michelle Miller is at a gas station in Secaucus, New Jersey, to show us why the good news for drivers is sending jitters through the markets. Michelle, good morning.
Good morning. Well, cheap oil means lower prices at the pump, not just here, but across the nation. And that could lead to less expensive flights, lower heating costs, and more money in consumers' pockets. Now, normally that would be good news for the U.S. economy. Not necessarily this time. Cheaper gas leads to more than just pocket change for many drivers.
It's, in essence, a raise. I get to spend more money on food, on necessities, put some money in the bank.
The nationwide average for a gallon of gas has dropped nearly $1 in the last 3 months to $2.53 per gallon. Greg Ip is an editor at The Economist.
A lower oil price is like a gigantic tax cut. You're going to see it flow through to the price of gasoline, and that's going to put several $100s per year of extra spending power in the pockets of U.S. households.
The last time oil prices were this low was in May of 2009, when the nation was still reeling from the global financial crisis. Now, the bad news. The U.S. has become the biggest oil producer in the world because of the shale oil boom. That's helped lead to a global oil glut and spiraling prices.
We now have a lot of companies and a lot of folks working in the shale oil industry. We're not going to be drilling as many wells as we thought we were because the prices dropped so much.
But even with historic low prices, demand for oil in Europe and Asia remains flat, suggesting the world economy is weakening. All these factors contributed to the Dow Jones Industrial Average tumbling nearly 700 points last week, its worst drop in more than 3 years.
One of the reasons we've seen the stock market decline sharply in the last few days is because there are these unpredictable consequences out there when you see big, convulsive moves in something as critical as the price of oil.
Now, those market fluctuations aside, this is a nice little early Christmas gift for the average American driver. Consider this, they could save as much as $500 on gas this year, and that has the potential to boost U.S. household spending power by about $70 billion. Nora?
Wow, that's a lot, Michelle. Thank you.